if you really want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go together. And for me, that's the true power also of the Stamms, of the network, and everything that you've built, because that's exactly what you're creating.
So an advice I will give to somebody studying the program will be to work in the hospitality, probably 6 months prior to starting the program, and get his hands very dirty to understand what he's up to.
Be as curious as possible. Like even if anything you feel like it's not gonna be of your interest, just go and explore. Like even the committees, there are so many committees. Just go once and have a look, and it might be of interest to you.
Best advice. Committees are definitely the one added value from EHL that I remember the most. And I regret that I started them too late.
If your EHL experience just ends with your 4 years in school, I think it's a little sad, because there's a lot more than that.
It's those period of like your time that you need to learn as much as possible, and you need to just be curious all the time and explore.